morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are back. It's Monday. It's game day. It's moon day. We're ready. Let's roll. What's up, Boba? What's up, Broda? Gerard? Scott B. Potsy? Walrus? Discipline? Gold Miner? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good to see everyone. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Feeling very echoey in here this morning. That's one thing I do need to do to the office is do a little soundproofing for the stream. Get some music rolling. How's everybody doing? You guys taking trades yet? Seems a little laggy, maybe not. Moneyless Monday so far. That's not good. Broda, the lessons over the weekend were fire. Sweet. Appreciate you doing that. Hey, Snacks. What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. Internet should be good. Went down again yesterday. I was going to do the video, the lesson video yesterday. It went down. Then it got later in the day. I had a haircut scheduled, which I thought was yesterday. I showed up, and they're like, yeah, that was for Saturday. So I was like, cool. Just wasting my time coming here. Completely thought I scheduled it for yesterday, but I scheduled it for Saturday, apparently. But as the title says, I am going to gift 5 memberships to the Inner Circle today at 8:45. Give you guys more of an opportunity to get the channel membership, get the benefits of that. And yeah, figured I'd be generous on Monday and give some membership. So 8:45 around then. Depends on if we're in a trade, if something crazy is going on, something news pops, it'll be a little after. But around 8:45, I'll give 5 memberships to the channel. It is random, so I'm not gifting it to anyone specific. But I think the algorithm goes off of like who is more active, who has been here, who's the one that's loyal to the channel, kind of thing. So we'll see. We'll see. For some reason, TradeStation will not pull up SPY chart this morning. Okay, there it goes. Never mind. It was saying unable to access data cache a second ago. But we're back. So, without further ado, let's get some charts up. Oh yeah, I gotta fix this. So after the 5 gifted, we'll be at 8. Maybe we can get to 10 this week of the Inner Circle. Hey, Robin, good morning. What's up, Booch? Welcome in. Yeah, so my room, or my office is like very dark this morning, so I'm having to run my ceiling fan light, so it looks a little weird. I got a big shadow behind me, but I think it's all good. I think it looks okay. So, top gainer of the day is PSTV, up from about 50 cents to $1. I'm hoping this is on news. Yes, share repurchase program. This morning, 7 a.m. So that news is still in play. Hanging around. Not really doing anything at this very moment. VRDN, Viridian Therapeutics. Up 40% on, it looks like no volume, hardly at all. Let me look. They did have earnings this morning. and positive clinical data. So good earnings and positive clinical data on VRDN 001. Oh, PSTV had cancer news Saturday. Okay, I missed that. Missed that. Okay, so that'll do it. So cancer. Oh, there it is. Okay. See, I was looking for just today. My bad. Positive data on ongoing RESPECT clinical trials at the annual conference on CNS clinical trials and brain metastasis. So there we go. I know. I wish Neg was up like to $5 already, for real. If you guys don't follow my Twitter, we did start a swing on NEGG on Friday. Didn't go heavy. But you guys know I've been talking about NEGG forever now. I really like the daily. Closed over the 50 just barely on Friday. Chart set up. It's got some upper wicks. Does have room though. If it can get going, this week maybe we can get, $4.50, $5. Especially if the market just doesn't turn over. Markets do a pullback. Markets do a good pullback. But as long as the market doesn't roll over, I think Newegg's in a good spot. What's up, AC? Good morning. What's up? Still a little congested. Getting a little better. It has moved from my head and my nose down to my chest a little bit. So I've been coughing over the weekend. I think I'm finally getting that out of my system. Somehow I managed to get like a summer cold. FPAY. Hey, Adrian, what's up? V-Man, what's going on? The crypto man himself. How you liking MEXC? WETG. And on that note, I will say MEXC is our first, and at this current moment, only stream sponsor. So I want to thank the guys at MEXC Global. If you're interested in trading crypto, you can go to my sponsors underneath in the description. And it's MEXC Global. Just sign up, and you're able to trade crypto on there. GETY on watch this week for a squeeze. Okay, we'll pull it up. Look, gold miner. Yeah, it's set up for that parabolic type move. You're all right. Lower volume, but I think it's a lower flow. It's a very thin one, I think. Tissy. A lot of volume. That had earnings. Second quarter earnings were $251 million, an increase of 5%. Gross margin, $70 million. Net loss, $21 million. I mean, that headline really doesn't scream run 65%. Am I missing something else? Oh, here we go. They announced the sale of Quest Integrity Business for $280 million in cash. That'll do it. That'll do it. So TISI had a sale. They're getting a big chunk of cash here. So there's that. Tissy. Whoa, that was like an insanely large daily head and shoulder. That's weird. That's like perfect. 125 was the 200. 150, a little resistance, already through that. So it's a little bit free range here to 2. Maybe 180. Glad to see all of you here this morning. So early. It's 8:12. I'm sure some of you are not on East Coast, so it's even earlier. So thanks for being here with me so early in the morning. HLBZ. It was due a reversal day. Guess today's the day. He's through that 180. Had a insider buy this morning, looks like. Acquired 252,000 shares at $3. Interesting. Wonder how that happened. How the heck did they buy it at 3? On August 15th. What? Was this like a warrant transaction or something? CEO tweeted. You know, when a CEO is getting involved on Twitter, then that is a terrible company, you know? When that CEO has to get on Twitter to become a furu or become an ape, you got serious problems. Just like AHT, remember that guy? Yeah, AHT. AMC's guy hopped on afterwards, though. He hopped on after they had already blew it up, just to basically think the ape. So I'm cool with him. It had to have been a warrant transaction or something. No way he bought at 3. But yeah, I'm cool with CEO Adam guy, just because he kind of hopped into the Twitter world after the apes already squeezed his stock. So he was like, thank you for literally saving our company. We're about to go bankrupt. Thank you. So I'm cool with that. Let me know if the music's too loud this morning. I'm kind of bumping it just because I'm trying to wake up a little bit Monday morning.
IMT. UEC.
Yeah, it moved very weird. Very, very weird. It was on nothing, right? I'm pretty sure it was on nothing. Ew, just gross. Yeah, this thing just going, huh? Every time the memes would go, I would play Bed Bath & Beyond. But that was down here. I think I had it. I was buying it like $4 and $5. Just play it for a few cents. But now it's just finally, it's gotten above 556. Got above the 650 gap fill level. It's funny, I had a trend line drawn there. And then once it broke above that and filled the gap, it was gone. So this is right around the 200 day. Wouldn't be surprised if today is like the blow off top day, unless it's really going to go nuts. But getting this much pre-market action with AMC down, with GME down, man, choking on his own hot dog watching this. PSTV all day fader potentially. Well, that's generally how Mondays are. Pre-market's good, and then Monday's all-day fader. Bed Bath & Beyond 42% short. Oh my gosh. Yeah, PSTV never holds its gains, I feel like.
Cold.
1850, wow. That'd be crazy wild, man.
US.
I guess it's possible if everybody focuses it. 15 is gonna be big though, big.
Is.
Every time I think of Bed Bath & Beyond, I think of the movie Click, where he goes in the back and gets the remote.
10.
I think I've been in Bed Bath & Beyond like one time in my entire life. That movie was low-key very sad. It was like a lesson. It was funny at times, but my gosh, the ending was like, oh my goodness. That was one of his best performances, though. I like Adam Sandler. There's haters, but I like him. Uncut Gems, he did a really good job, too. That was unlike anything that he had done before, I think. That was a great movie. Yeah. I don't like his like Netflix special ones. Yeah, for real, Booch. When he's laying there, when it's raining, and he's like calling for his son. Yeah, that's tough. I haven't seen Hustle. Was it pretty good? Everybody's saying Hustle, so I guess I need to watch that. He's a good actor. He just got into that, you know, I'm the same character in every single movie type thing. And people were paying him for it, so just go for it. But like the Netflix ones, no. They're just too over the top. It's like a gag reel. Oh my God. Click's been out for 15 years. I think spoiler alert ends at 5 years.
BTG.
It should end at a year, but I think it ends at like 5 years. At the end of Titanic, the boat sinks, bro. It sinks. Believe it or not. You never thought that a ship like that, one that massive, could sink, but it sinks, bro. Not to spoil anything. Both of them could have fit on that door, though. I know that. Both of them could have fit.
PSTV. Change.
Yeah, for real. Shout out to the those dudes playing the music on the Titanic. They did it to the very end.
CDEV. USAS.
I'm gonna step away for just a second. I'll be right back.
BBBY. TTI. USOI.
All right, I'm back. Had to go blow my nose, and it sounds even worse now that I blew it. All right. Giant list of daily flags on the trading floor. Courtesy of Sunburn. Makes me stay inside all weekend. I feel ya. I feel ya. Why does TISI keep having 8Ks? Those are the goods for swings, though. The daily flags.
TMF.
What's up, Simon? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in.
Tissy.
Welcome in. I think we got to focus Bed Bath & Beyond. It's feeling like it wants to go to 15. I don't know if I want to play it or not, though. Play like 1,000 shares. Make $250 maybe. It's just a slow one. Until it's not, I guess. But, I mean, it has candles that are 20 cents here. But it's more of a heavy one, and it's in pre-market. So it kind of grinds a little bit, pushes up, trades sideways, pushes up. You kind of have to just buy and wait for it. TISI still pushing. Made a little bit of a leg higher there to 180. Oh man. Somebody's bought 10,000 through that wall. I give it a shot with 1,000 shares here since somebody just bought that much up here. If I lose 10 cents, I lose 10 cents on 1,000.
CFRX.
Big refresh wall though, as soon as I bought in. But I'm gonna hold it for a second. Really feels like this thing can go to 15, but... And what I'm saying, guys, is not advice, obviously. This is just me trading. And this is more of like a screwball trade. I'm just screwing around. It's got the volume. It's got the chart set up. It's doing the squeeze. It's obviously trying to blow its load in pre-market, so might as well kind of ride it up. I'm a little late on it, obviously. Quite a bit late on it. But if I can get 25 cents from here, I'm cool with that. So there we go. There's pre-market high. 1490's got a 15K ask. 15's got a 30K ask. So it's not insane. Considering the volume, considering the bid, it's not really that bad. Steve's been pumping it since 1390. Okay, gotcha. I can't even trade until 8. Excuse me. On TradeStation. I could have bought, let's see. I guess 1420s. I'm just gonna be patient on it now. Like it's wanting to go, and it's kind of starting to break loose here. So I'm really fine with selling for even if I have to, and if I get over 15, great.
BBBY.
Nice bidder here. Really nice bidder here. As long as he doesn't get shredded. 30K. That's higher than, or it's right around the size of the ask at 15. So I think it tests 1490 here in just a second, it looks like. AMC and GameStop still down on the day. Okay, it just shredded that bid. See if that leads to it getting bought right back up. You really see if these bidders want to get filled or not. Because when a big bid gets filled sometimes, you'll see like an increase in volume. Which could be what's happening right here. So sometimes it's a support break. Other times they're like, okay, I'm in, let's go. Hey, what's up, Jesus? Good morning. Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond's definitely separated. I mean, it's taking its turn. Volume rotation kind of thing. Somebody on my Twitter, when I was asking about real companies under $10 a couple months ago, they said Bed Bath & Beyond. And I was like, yeah, it's kind of already connected to them. So I kind of looked over it, but you see it right here. Kind of struggling with this high 1480 zone here. About 2 minutes to the 8:30 news, pops. It's got a weird history, that's for sure. All right, there's 90. See, it's just kind of trading around a little bit. 15 test is coming.
TMF.
Oh, come on. I'm gonna take half off, just under 15 there. Should hit it. It's close. You know they'll be selling pressure up here. Near 15. 15 is huge. Just buy me up. I'm being really greedy though. Asking for a couple more cents than I've currently got.
CDEV, LIDR,
I took the half off right there instead. All right, what do we got?
TISI,
TBLT. What am I reading? TBLT launches the world's first magazine-fed auto-reloading retractable utility knife. What does that sound like a weapon that should be banned? What the hell? Oh, there we go. We're about to be on through 15 now. What is that? Like, that's weird. Magazine-fed auto-reloading knife? Jesus took Hellbiz 126 for an overnight. Oh, nice. Good job. Those weekly levels, man, you kill it on those. You absolutely kill it on the weekly levels.
RSLS,
That's not good. CNN announces strategic action to end partner distribution in the U.S. I think that used to be NACD.
GB,
Or Naked, whatever you want to call it. Okay, that's really all I see at 8:30. About 15 minutes to the giveaway. Let's see, over 15.
BLRX,
1550, 1560. Like, we're in some congested area now. But who knows, I mean, if this just got all the way down to 470, if these people are out, you know. No, I'm gifted memberships. No iPads, no like and retweet. Oh my God, it's like I just had a stroke. No like and retweets. No, you have to follow me. None of that. I'm just giving away to the community. Not giving away 500 bucks to a couple people. If 500,000 people like it, no. Just helping out the community, giving you some memberships to the channel. All right, we're kind of squeezing here. I like cash too, Scott. I like cash too. And beer, yep.
SPRC,
Yeah, see, this is why we focus Bed Bath & Beyond. Look at this. And the fact that nothing came out at 8:30 was big. Okay, so we're getting, this is a parabolic candle. I've only got 250 shares left though, so I guess I'll just let it ride. I mean, I could reduce to 100 shares, but then I'm making $50 every 50 cents. But these are the scale zones, guys. These parabolic candles here. When it starts bending, even on the 1 minute, it's bending up. Volume's still good though, and scale zone doesn't mean sell zone. You know, you take some out, you reduce your size, you're strategically selling to lock in profits. Let's go. Keep on trucking. See, I'm 75% out of my position now. I had 1475-ish. It's up to 1560. Sure, I could have held full. Sure, this could have rejected 15 and been at 14 right now. So that's why you got to play it. You don't have a crystal ball to see the future. You can't tell what's coming and when, so you plan accordingly. So there's a little selling pressure. Just when it looked like it was going to rip, you know, it pulls back. So yeah, it could be. Any GG, retail, real company. From here to 16 and then a cliff at 1774. Yeah, I think we're close to topping out. Yeah, I mean, Newegg has 16% short, 13 million float. All right, here's our first big pullback. Parabolic, scale zone, pullback. I would prefer it not to go back under 15.
SBRC.
Jesse's still pushing here. Continues to hold the 20 on the 1. So that's another watch if you're not in Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm going to try to let the rest of these shares run until it stops running. Hey Diddy, what's up? But I would prefer, like I said, it not to go under 15. Close over the, not on the 1 there. Volume has been red over the past 4 minutes though. It is decreasing though. So you'll either see a bigger red candle or a bigger green candle soon with the way the volume's just tapering off. Hey, Fernurky, good morning. Welcome in. Good to see you. So it is trying to fade back to the 20 on the 1. TISI trying to break loose here. Look at this relative volume on the 1 here. All right, the volume's tapered all the way back down to pretty much nothing. So I would expect a high red or green here in just a second. Volume tends to follow patterns as well. So this could be the lowest 1 minute candle
AHS.
in a while if it doesn't start moving right here.
AEG.
A little bit of ugly action up there. They're trying to short it. That's what they're doing. Walking the ass down. But the higher they short it and the more that the bulls keep playing it, the further it's going to squeeze. Okay, that was a little bit higher volume candle, red. But we're still hanging around. Coming up on 1530 again.
CYN. ODIC. GTHX.
Hold on a second. I want to test something real quick before I gift the memberships. Because I know you have to be able to accept gifts. Logging in my other Google account and seeing. All right, I'm gonna get you guys all to do this for me in just 1 second, so we make sure that everybody's eligible.
Next.
All right, hope everybody's paying attention. Follow this link to the channel memberships. It'll pop up this page right here. It'll pop up this page right here. Hopefully everybody's live. Click the 3 dots, go to gift settings, and hit allow gifts. Okay? It's under this page. 3 dots, gift settings, allow gifts. That is for the gifted memberships coming within the next 5 minutes. You got it? All right, sweet. If you're on your phone, I think you have to follow the link on your browser. And once the memberships are gifted, you'll see it in chat. You'll see a little gift icon. You can click on that and hit allow gifts too. But I want you to be able to get this gift, so.
AREC.
All right. Bet Math Beyond still hanging around here. going back down to the 20 on the 1 here. I could see a hold 15. If it doesn't hold 15, kind of fades down to here, I think it might be done until open at least. Hey, Scott. Good morning. Tissy, yeah, it could do 2. It's got to get through 185. Needs to hold this trend, this higher low trend. It could do 2.
CSSE.
All right, this really needs to bounce right here. I'm going to sell in just a second.
TME. AERC.
All right, that was a good bounce.
RBCN. AGF Plus.
If you weren't here whenever I mentioned it,
New.
follow the link to my, or go to hit the join button on the screen,
GMBL.
hit the 3 dots, hit gifting settings, and hit allow gifts. I'm going to do it in about 1 minute. You don't have gift settings on yours? That's weird. Are you on mobile? It should pop up right here. 3 dots, gift settings. You're on desktop. That's weird. Yeah, it should show it right there. Okay, I'll wait just 1 second.
GNLN.
Make sure you get it turned on, and then we'll do it.
Scene.
If not, you may have to wait till next time and just click it when it pops up in the chat and hit allow.
GNLN.
Huh. That's very strange.
BP.
I see the picture. I have no idea, man. I have no idea. All right, I'm getting ready to go do it right now. Maybe it'll pop up once you see the gifted memberships. You can click on it, and
SPRC.
you'll be able to get it next time. All right. Here we go. Hopefully everybody's ready.
GNLN.
5 gifted memberships are coming right now.
GNLN. INUV. SPRC. GNLN. TISI.
Gerard, Fernerke, Potsy, Snacks, Broda, welcome to the inner circle. Welcome in. And you see it popped up on your screen. It should show allow guests now. You got it. Welcome in. I don't know why it's not updating the members at the top.
GFI.
That's weird.
PSLV.
Welcome in. Congratulations. JD, did that pop up on your screen to hit allow once it popped up? If not, I don't know. You need to go, you might need to Google it and figure out what's going on.
OIGL.
Yeah, it still only says 3. It didn't pop up. It's got to be a YouTube setting. Yeah, congrats to the winners. And yeah, Awesome. We are up to now 8 members of the Inner Circle. I don't know why it didn't update though.
IMCC.
Yeah, you might need to just Google like why my YouTube's not showing gifted memberships. All right, there we go. We got 8. We got 8. Can we get to 10 by the end of the week? We'll see. Gerard, you are in the Inner Circle. Popped up on your screen. Okay. Yeah, JD, something might be wrong with your YouTube. I don't know. Are you on a YouTube Kids account? Are you on a child-only account?
GTXU. CLSK. DSX. GGV.
I just Googled it. That's weird. It might be a YouTube setting. I really don't know, man.
XSPA.
So you guys got those sweet new badges next to you. You got your emojis now. You'll get early access to the video that I'm going to try to get up today on risk management, on stop losses. I'm going to work on that. There you go. There's the Dr. Pepper, baby. I'm going to work on that after the stream. I'm going to try not to make a super long video today. Maybe like 10 minutes. Just talk about, you know, stop losses under trends or under whatever.
TME.
That's true. It could be blocking some element. You're right. It could be that. Maybe open it up with your phone browser
TDUP.
to see. And at the top where it shows my emblem and it says gifted 5 memberships, you should be able to hit allow right there too. But congrats to the winners. All right, Bed Bath & Beyond still hanging around. We went all the way down to 1480 and held. So we're back above 15 now. Tissy, 5 minute. It's even on the 1 minute here, it's like a little pennant. It's getting tighter, or maybe even a little ascending triangle on the 1. Another one. Gifted membership. Thank you, Broda. Welcome, Michael Reader, to the Inner Circle. Why is it not updating up there? Very interesting. It updated when people bought them for themselves, but it's not updating when you gift them. All right, I can manually update it, no problem. So we're up to 9. Welcome in. I think they just updated to where you could do 1. Do you need to do anything? Just be you, Fernurky. Just be you. The Wordle champion of the world, Fernurky. We'll do Wordle later. We're getting a Wordle after 9 a.m. All right, this is starting to fade now. Got the 5 minute. This should probably be the 9 on the 5. So if this breaks below the 9 on the 5, I'm gonna get out. If it stays here, I'm staying in. I'm only running with a little bit of a core. Appreciate it, Broda. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Yeah, it chooses someone random. It does. But yeah, before when I checked, it was 5, 10, and 25. Now you can do 1. Yeah, you can do 1, 5, 10, 20, and 50. Okay. Cool. Sweet. Short day today, so I'm going to try to focus small caps, but I do feel like, and I mentioned it last night on my Twitter, that we are due a pullback day. And it's looking like a fall day. I mean, pullback to even 420.
Right.
Short small caps, oh God. All right, I'm going to take a quick break. I'll be right back.
RKLY. SOPA. Scene. GOGL. BPT. Riot. PVET. WTI.
All right, had to go say good morning to the baby, of course. Get a Dr. Pepper. Put my headphones.
HYFM.
There we go. Bad Bath & Beyond really is it. What we're watching.
Pro.
Still hanging here, just barely, but it's hanging on the 9 and the 5. I really don't want it to leg down from here. I'd like to see a good push up right here. Still holding 250. It's almost 9 a.m. too. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait just a second till 9 a.m. passes.
DSX. BNGO.
I think you may have missed the channel membership giveaway if you missed it, but there'll be more. I'll do these every now and again. Only thing I will say is I wish this was like Twitch to where it took the ads away. But YouTube wants to sell their YouTube Premium.
TBLT. GP, JMIA.
TSC's looking a little weaker now. Discipline. They're still hanging around though. Needs to break through 180 and hold. You get out small loss. Yeah, it didn't want to break 180. It looked good for a little bit. Had a nice little pennant going on the one. It's not dead, but looks weaker now.
VISL.
About 1 minute till the 9 a.m. news. Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm waiting until after. Wait until after 9 a.m. But yeah, it looks okay. Yeah, usually the 50 on the 1 and the 9 on the 5 are about the same. See if it holds this level. About 20 seconds left. I don't know why I even really care about 9 a.m. anymore because Robinhood has changed to 7 now. But I feel like something weird still happens at 9 a.m. even with Robinhood gone. Let's see what we got here. AMPG, 340% revenue increase. That's a big headline. 491% increase in total gross profit. Gross profit margin year over year increases 33.6% to 44.5%. Increased guidance. So AMPG, worth watching. That's really all I see. CFBI Rumble sets new record for monthly active users. Just fluffy.
TCVP.
All right, Bed Bath & Beyond back over 15, barely. I may rebuy right here or average back in and then just risk my average now. Yeah, okay, I'm back in full. There's AMPG. I had it and I got back out because it wasn't moving. What the? Why was that so delayed? Literally had 1,000 shares at 260 and sold for even because it didn't do anything for a minute and a half. Well, come on. Yeah, it looked fine. It read fine. And then it did not do anything. And then somebody just fat fingered $1 worth. Looked like. Come on, Bed Bath & Beyond. I need to go blow my nose again, it sounds like. Sorry, guys.
CORZ.
There we go. Pop this trend line. Looking better.
MICT.
AMPG is exploding. I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed. I had that. I only took 1,000, but I had it.
PT.
I need to go with the dogs back in, but this looks like it's trying to fail. Yeah, I'm taking this out for now. I'll be right back.
GGAL. NMTR. NTRA, new AGRX, PSFNG, FSR, MBT, NMR, LATR, VCSA, SBC, FCEL, RKLB, GOEV, FSLY, ASTS, NKLA, PTON, SNDL. CS. AMPG. NBY.
Anyone else's dog go absolutely nuts if they get a little bit wet outside? They come in and just go absolutely crazy. Because that's what mine does. And it's doing it right now. He's running in circles upstairs. This still looks okay right here. Yeah, the zooms are crazy. Noah loves it though. He ran up to Noah's room and Noah's just laughing. I can hear him from here. You guys can probably hear him on the mic. This mic's so sensitive. I might try this one more time. Number is 15. You have bulldogs that don't move. Yeah, I hear you. I love the zoomies there. They're so funny. Higher in the tape. Yeah, this should move higher. Should, right here. The refreshing wall, 1510. They got some ass stacked up too now. Yeah, the ass side looks way bigger than the bid side now, so we'll see. I'm not gonna risk much. There's a nice bidder. Hidden ask here, 1510. That may be enough to stop the run here. They need a hero. They're wanting it to keep going right now. After I get out of this, I'm gonna go do Wordle. Not dead yet. I think it needs to go on this 1 minute or it's going to break down below 15. Looking at the chart, I guess it could do one more 1 minute before it breaks down. It's hanging right onto the trend line it broke through. Oh, hero. There's the hero I was talking about. Let's see if he's enough. Can they get through the hidden wall? Not yet. Starting to. 200 left, 100, 400. See, they keep refreshing it. Okay, I'm out. I'm out on that. Did they just fake me out? Maybe. Probably. Wouldn't surprise me at all. But normally that's a fail. Your hero comes in, you hit the wall that you've been struggling with, your hero gets smashed, and that's it. And usually when I'm talking about hero, it's just, say, like the big bidder's down here at 15, and they move a big bidder up to like 1507. Like right now, 08's the hero bid. Still looks okay, but I'm liking it less and less. Yeah, I think it's gonna pull back. Like, getting ready to fall through to like 1485. It could blow through right here though, but I think, yeah, next 5 minute starts in 30 seconds. We'll see what it does before I switch over to Wordle, but Wordle. Generally, they like to close the 5 minute week at the end if they're wanting to crash it. So let's see what they do. Last 5 seconds of it here. 5-10 seconds.
IMCC.
Didn't really do anything.
Sound.
TISI, it could be. Looks a little toppy, but it could be. Hold like the 155 level. Trying to break through. Oh, they brought the wall back. So they pushed through. They brought the refreshing wall back again. And that does it. 15 still refreshing. Okay. Whatever.
FFIE.
So, since we did gifted memberships today, I'm going to go for gifts. Ooh. We're going to switch over to our second. Plain. No.
CODX.
Okay, so it's P, something, so we got E, R, and O in there. P, E, R, O.
HUD. MGAM.
Is that a word? No. Iran. It's gonna be one of those crazy words I never heard of. Maybe not. P-Roy.
Bach.
Not looking at the chat. I know Fernarky's already got it. Oh. Poker? Boom. Yeah, you had it. I knew you had it. I knew you had it. I didn't even look at the chat and I knew you had it. The Wordle champion, Fernarky. Nice.
GWAV.
Noise. This is still hanging on, which is kind of annoying. All right, last try, risking 15 one more time. I want to see like 15.25, 15.30 within the next couple minutes. Yeah, you make the wordles, don't you?
DHT.
Did you get the short making sales? Are you still in here? Did you get the short on PSTV? So you're sitting nicely here.
MYMD.
All right, this is starting to frustrate me.
PTPI. HYFM.
Moving so slow now.
CLLS.
Five minute looks good. If we can push up right here. Holding over the 9 on the 5. Yeah, volume's picking up over here.
MEGL. Next. PXS.
Apron on watch over 4. Okay. That one usually likes to follow the market, so we'll see if it goes up on a SPY red day. There's a volume spike. Is this the volume spike that's going to send us, though? It needs to skip to like 15.25. 268,000 shares have traded at 15.10.
WTI. JMIA.
Yeah, the apron daily's at least set up for the forecast, that's for sure. Come on, just get there.
PTGX.
287,000 shares, so that's got to be a short wall. There we go. See, the skip right to 15.25. That's what I like to see. And a new short ask. Let's see if they eat him up. 35K. If they eat this guy up, they're in for it. They are in for it. It's going to squeeze more. They pulled him. Okay, they're scared. Brought him back. 20K. 28K. 28. Still. 22. 16. Gone. See you later. Thanks for playing. Actually, there he is. He's back. Wonder if there's somebody actually trying to get out. Interesting. Getting very volatile here. Yeah, I'm getting out. Barely snuck out. So they let that short get in and then smashed it. That had to be like an institutional short right there. That's interesting. They let the short in, let him get bought up completely, and as soon as all of his shares were gone, they smashed it. Very interesting. Very, very interesting on that one. So I get back a little on it. I'm still up 270 on it. Oh well. Oh well. Yeah, for real. I don't know how they brought in so much selling pressure after he got filled, but they got it. And he was really wanting in because he was moving lower and lower.
CLSK.
Yep. Yeah, the buyers are stuck up here in the 20s now. And he's got like 15 and what? 15, 15? 15, 10? Yeah, that may be your top for the day. We'll see.
CENX.
Lots up on volume today. Mullins got some volume today.
KC.
PSTV is pretty much faded completely off. What was that one that we traded a few weeks ago that we said that never holds its gains? Oh my God. My nose is still stopped up. And at open, it ended up ripping from lows and continued ripping. Like huge. What the heck was that? Was that TBLT, maybe?
HYPR.
Like when it first started running, we're like, okay, this never holds its gains. I don't remember. I really don't remember. But it was something that had news in pre-market. We said never hold its gains. And then it opened at lows and just continued throughout the rest of the day. Be right back. All right. I don't remember what ticker that was. I really don't.
APRN.
So over the past few weeks, pre-market's been the best time on Mondays. So I'm gonna chill at open. I'm up small from Bed Bath & Beyond. That's about it.
MEGL.
Market's down. Tessie still in play.
ISR. Indo.
Looks a little bit heavier, but not too bad.
MEGL.
What else we got in the open? Anything?
CLOX. SIDU.
MEGL's getting some volume. Yeah, it's been getting volume all morning, actually. Well, no, actually. Past 15 minutes have been getting volume. MEGL. That's the IPO that fell from like an insane number down to $9.
RKLB. PTPI.
Yeah, there's MEGL 950.
TISI.
They're trying to squeeze it in pre-market. Definitely sold off enough. So it sold off from ran to 200 or whatever. Now it's at $9. I chased the volume off screen. I couldn't flip over fast enough. Who knows how far this thing's gonna go though. And it's weird it's happening right now. It was due a bounce though. It had sold off insane. Yeah, APDN. Veru. Yeah. Nice buying pressure on this so far. I guess everybody sees the range and they're still playing it regardless of where it's at right now.
NNDM.
Coming up on 10. 5 minutes till open. I'm gonna scale small just because. Bed Bath & Beyond's still in play. Yep. Oh, it actually, wow.
LPTX, GNPX.
It's in play right this second. So they shoved it down and shoved it right back up. This thing's acting like it wants to halt out the gate. I mean, I got 940. Definitely holding some through open if it holds up here with a stop.
BRSH, POWW.
It's a risky buy though. This one's scary.
3, SNPX.
They're already kind of slowing it down a little.
MEGF.
There we go. 10's a big raz. Already scaled out a third though. In like the 70s, so I don't know if I want to scale any more right this second unless we blow through 10. Tissy still looks good. Bed Bath & Beyond still looks good.
NYSE.
Maybe I should have scaled up there. We'll see. 2.5 minutes till open. Still good buying pressure.
HRTX, CODX.
$9.99 here. 10 through 10.
SONM.
Little selling pressure on 10 there. As expected.
CODX. HBM.
Now the question is, can we get back through 10? This is a scale zone, but I'm not scaling because I just scaled at 70s. And remember, guys, if you're new, I've been doing this for years. And anything I say is just what I think, not advice in any way.
TBAT, VRNA.
So I got 750 shares left now. Started showing some selling pressure, so I sold some. Yeah, Veru can go screw itself somewhere else. I'm not playing that today, that's for sure.
Verb. CTXR. GLDG.
About 1 minute to the bell here.
SBFX.
I guess I'll feed the dogs after I get on stream, and I completely forgot. All right, let's see what we got into open here. Flip over my scanners. Good luck today, everyone. No need to force anything. Slow and steady. Pre-market's been okay. No reason to force. All right, I got my stop set on MEGL. Bed Bath & Beyond week open. I want to see MEGL push through 10. I don't know if it's going to. Here we go. 992. There we go. 1020. Just can't fade off on me here. It's trying to fade off on me. Come on. That's why I have my layered stops in, though, just in case. Apron push. Bed Bath & Beyond very weak. Okay, I sold a little bit of my MEGL there. Turn the music down a little bit. I can't hear anything. Yeah, Apron with the insane push it open. Oh my gosh. All right. So I didn't fully stop out here, so I've still got 500 shares left, pushing up towards 10 again. TGLT2. Okay, we'll pull it up in just a second. Hold on. Tissy coming down to the bounce level if it's going to bounce. Right here on the 20. This is going to pull back. Looks like and fail on me. Maybe not. They're still buying it up for now. That was very, very close to my stop. Won't be surprised if they wipe me and then send it. What a crazy push on Apron. We're at the gate. I want to say thanks to everybody joining this morning. Thanks for the likes, the comments, the gifted membership by Broda, all the new members that was gifted this morning, all my current members, the donors. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Okay, Tissy pulling back. MEGL pushing back here. So, classic Monday morning trash so far.
DCLI, QUBT, DLNG, PTN, RCMT, Ruby, Chris,
What are you saying LFG on?
ASLN,
Oh, plug. Okay, sweet. $10 per share. That's nasty. In a good way.
ASTS, TGB,
$30 on plug. F-Cell 540 too. 540 as well.
NGLB,
Can I turn this light off now? No, it's still insanely dark in here.
NBTS, GIGM,
All right, after that, I am just kind of chilling for a little bit. I seem to always get back my gains early Monday morning
CMTS,
after open. So I am not doing anything.
BL,
I still need to turn this down some.
Drip, GNPX,
Here we go.
BEE, ASLN,
GoEv, GOEV.
DIL,
If this move stays with your mom. Gotcha.
HTOL, EGLX, CWCO,
WTRH just
TGB,
had a little fluffy PR.
OLCC, TISI,
Yeah, GoEv 440.
SPE, AXDX, AGS, VINC, STEM, CDXC,
Daily does look nice. If it can get over at 465, really good.
LASR,
But it is already up 20 cents today.
QLGN, CGRN, Works, BRDN, Drift, LLAP, FNHC, ASTS,
It's still, yeah, clean energy.
RGS,
CBAT,
DNUT,
GoEv.
CFOX, CLNN,
Plug has been insane though. I remember the day you added it. I think I was I was playing it at like $20 with you.
ATXS,
I just never hold long enough.
DNAY,
Ooh, this one looks interesting.
RCMT, DNAY, GPS,
Through like 880.
EGLX, SPRB, DPRO,
This can get through 880. This looks real good.
SNPX,
Struggling though.
AXDX,
No, come on.
RGS, Driv,
Thought I had it there for a second. It's not dead yet, but this looks very interesting here. If it can pop through this level, 880.
TISI,
Had a big wick the last opening candle, but it's hanging around. 60K ass now, man. Come on.
MPG,
That'll probably be enough to flush everybody out.
TSL, GURE, NLSP,
I don't see anybody buying up 60K ask. I'm keeping my stop in place though.
RCMT,
I'm sure I'm gonna get flushed right here. Yep. That'll do it. Old Mr. 60K.
IINN,
New egg just got bought right back up. Dipped it open and back up to 391. So new egg looking good.
GIGM, AGS, GPS,
This is unfortunate, but this is classic Monday morning. Every time I see a good setup. HYFM.
ASTS,
Pull it up.
POSH, NBTA,
Yeah, something's happening.
QMA, TISI,
Yeah, it's kind of gapped up already today, 25%.
PSTV,
Tissy looks terrible now. PSTV off a cliff, just a little bit recovery bounce here. I don't really foresee that's pushing much higher. It might, but
New. PGY.
Okay, we're already starting to slow down a little bit. No need to force any moves right now. Sometimes Monday takes till about 10:30 to set up, to be honest with you.
WBX.
VCSA over 480. Yep. Interesting chart, to say the least. Monday morning blues. You're right. I've been saying that for years. Everybody come back Monday morning excited, ready to roll, ready to make some money. Pre-market looks good, and then they just screw you after open.
Left plus. PSTV.
Maybe PSTV will recover.
SST.
That's the exact scenario I was talking about. One that is a usual fader all day, and it gets overshorted. We'll see. I don't know. Got a long way to go to really get back and play.
ACXP. Snacksu. ODV. GRCL.
MEGL's back over 10. Oh, man. Come on. Look at that. How's that from Monday Morning Blues? Lame. Faded all the way down to like almost a halt at 927. PSTV is doing something. It's doing something. That's annoying. That is very frustrating. That huge opening fade off just to get bought back up from 927. Now it's at 1060. Oh, that's frustrating. Not halting up. I had 1,000 shares at 960 or something. I had a good stop in place. And that goes back, and I'll talk about that more with the risk reward. You don't ever, hold the hope right here. No reason you should ever hold through this. They're just forcing you to buy back right here, which I took my eyes off of it. You made enough to go back to bed? I hear you. Nice. Good job. PSTV still hanging around. MEGL didn't halt. Went to 11, but did not halt. Yeah, PGY up to 23. Veru at 19. It pushed almost all the way to 20 at open. Siga at 25. So Siga push up from about 24 to 25. That one's getting old too. Getting tired of playing it. Daily's still set up, but honestly, getting annoyed with it. Bed Bath & Beyond, big fade, almost back to the gap fill. 13 will be a dip buy on BBBY if you guys can get it. Watch this 200 on the 5.
AAQC plus.
Or I'll say dip by zone. Dip by potential.
MCI, BTCS,
MEGL over 11 now.
Shenku, AKUS.
Wow. Wow. I guess I should have paid attention to it after it broke down and played this. Because once it pushed back up here and flagged over the EMAs and VWAP, that was the re-entry through that level. Just missed it.
Mind. INUV, TTNP. MEGL, NBRB, SAPS, VSTM.
Yeah, we're already getting the Monday morning blues. Nothing's really happening.
OMEX.
PGY did have an ugly candle there. Nasty. Nice flag on the 1 minute over VWAP. Pushed through 2350. Looks like it went to 2344. And then wrecked.
EVET, TISI,
Phase on the scanner.
NXPL, ANIX, VINP, LMPX.
That thing had sold way back off too.
MOGU, OMEX,
Tissy trying to hold this level. A lot of lower wicks on Tissy. No 5 minute candles closed under 150. Could it push up right here? Do I risk for...
DBGI, TISI, VIAO,
Don't want to see this fake out, but it did hold at 150 for 3 5 minute candles. Trying to fake out though already. Yep. Monday morning, baby. Looking spicy already.
DOYU,
And I'm not going to average down just because it is Monday morning.
AMPG,
Just going to salute on the way down and
TCR,
let it fall to where it's going to fall. It was ready to push higher right there. 3 5 minute candles closed over 150. Now straight back down to 150, and it's looking like they're going to smash her on down.
MEGL, CXE, TISI, MEGL,
Somebody bought a little bit.
SPRC,
Meanwhile, MEGL 1128 just cruising.
Mesa,
Okay, a little bit of volume coming back in here. Not dead yet. Skip on up to about 165 for me. Any other day, I'd have probably averaged down about 152 and still risk 150, but today, didn't.
GLBS,
Weber grills on the scanner. Getting some decent volume today. WEBR. Chart looks insane, looks stupid, but it is getting a little bit of volume. Yep, this is going to fail still.
SLHG, TISI,
Might as well take my sell at 151 instead of 150.
DYAI, MEGL,
PSTV still hanging around. Within a big range, though, 80 to 87. It's a really big range that you don't really want to play around with.
ASLN,
I've been playing very small this morning, holding on to green, but everything after open, as expected, has been a loss. As per usual.
RXST,
Bed Bath & Beyond didn't make it down to the 13 level.
TISI,
Bounce from these wicks right here.
TISI, PSTV.
PSTV 90.
Increase. RVLP.
Interesting. This is the one I was referencing when I was saying the ones that fade off. And then come back and live. Reminds me of something else the other day, but I can't remember what the ticker was. But it was around the same type scenario. Always a fader. Never holds its gains. Oh my gosh. Should have just loaded in, I guess. Damn. I didn't like how it just bounced from 80 to 87. There was no real good entry for me. 98 cents now, though.
MEGL.
Yeah, BBBY did basically gap fill. Yep. And phase, for sure. We'll keep on watching. Low float, bait and play. PSTV's going. That's so frustrating. I had a feeling it would go, and it's just doing it. 102. Massive 5-minute candle here. 81 cents to 102. Risk reward's really gone right here.
Shenku. TWNI LNSR. West Northwest. LNSR. CPHI.
Guess I can turn the music back up. Scanner's not doing me any good. SIG at 25.30.
LMPX. MEGL. CTTX, GLBS, EIGR.
Did GovX offer something? GovX at 250, just chilling. And SIG is at highs. Maybe everybody's just sick of GovX. I don't know. Just like I'm sick of Veru.
VINC. TCRT to C. FPAY. NYM.
Tissy. Yeah, I forgot about that one.
FPAY.
Yeah, I didn't like what it did to me. It's kind of look like an H pattern now.
MEGL. PRQR. OPK. BCEL.
Yeah, GovX is so annoying. GovX is so frustrating.
ATNM. GLBS. TPST. TISI. Wave.
I'm not seeing much, guys. I'm not seeing much. I'm looking around.
AXGN.
APDN just hit a pre-market or a intraday low. Getting bought up a little bit.
SRAD. MEGL. FPAY. NLIT. GNS.
Okay, this is holding. They're still gonna try to hold it over. Good job, Jesus.
BSTM, Dust.
What was it again? Oh, BCSA.
Tissy.
Yeah, nice job. Looks like it wants to test 5 at least.
SNPX. Smith. Vect. Turn. DRRX.
Sega highs, 25.45.
IDW. NYMTM. SNDL. CTXR. BMTX Plus. Playku. TCRT. MEGL. Valve.
Wow. So they held it above 150 again, and it went.
CVM.
Did APDN have bad news or something? Getting weird selling pressure down here,
WWR.
especially with Sega highs.
FNCB. DRRX.
APRN pushing higher, 420 now. Sega 2564. Wow, Sega's going today, huh?
Move. LMB.
Aider has a running store. PSTV still looks decent here. It's doing the same move it did right here. I don't know if I want to play it though. Up at 1. Yeah, not bad. Daily looks okay on Aider, for real.
EXFY. Fine. MEGL. SNDL. SLDB.
Yeah, kind of a boring morning. Sega's pushing higher. Bed Bath & Beyond recovered a little bit. Besides that, I mean, there's not a whole lot. At PSTV bounced from 75 cents to $1. It's a good move. Kind of happened out of nowhere, and it was in its huge range here that you could have traded, I guess. I'm trying a little bit of APDN at 330. I'm risking 320 just because it's sold off and the daily looks okay. Sega needs to hold up though. Sega really needs to hold up. I am at $8, just barely holding even. Discipline. I was up like 350 bucks in the open, and I took 2 small losses.
CETX.
I'm right at my average on new eggs, so that's good. Yeah, get some blue Powerade. Hopefully APDM bounces for me. I like the daily. Daily's really sold off. It just hit SSR. If it stops me at 320, it stops me at 320. But Sega's pushing higher. We'll see. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Tissy's still screwing around with those wicks. S3 on VEEE just dropped. Doesn't mean offering, but they got an S3 out now, so they are going to offer in the future. at least. You're down 1,000. That's not good. Maybe you can make it back. Mondays are trash, though. Mondays and Thursdays have been trash. Monday mornings, pre-market have been good, but that's it. All right, new egg. Back over 390, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We're up.
SNDL.
It's super low volume, but whatever. Gerard, no trades. That's pretty smart.
ARHS. MTMT. Turn.
But I think on that note, guys,
LIDR.
I'm gonna call it a day. It's a fun day. Got those gifted memberships out there. Broda gave us one more, so we are up to 9 members of the inner circle. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support, guys. Thanks for the likes, the comments, being here with me today. It is Monday. I'll try to drop the video later today on risk management, risk reward, stuff like that. But hope you guys have a great rest of the day. I'll see you tomorrow, 8 a.m. Peace.